Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 5, and in this chapter we will learn initiating and planning system development project. And what we will learn in this chapter: firstly we will learn describe the steps involved in project initiating and planning process, and explain the need for and the contents of a project scope statement and baseline project plan, and list and describe various methods for assigning project feasibility. Describe the difference between tangible and intangible benefits and costs, and between one-time recurring benefits and costs. And the others we will learn perform cost-benefit analysis and describe what it means by the time value of money, present value discount rate, net present value, and return on investment and break-even analysis, and describe the general rules for evaluating technical risk associated with a systems development project, and describe the activities and practicant roles within a structured workflow. And firstly, initiating and planning systems development projects, and what must be considered when making the decision on the decision between project initiating and planning and analysis. How much effort should be expended on the PIP process, and who responsible for performing the PIP process, and why is PIP process such a challenging activity. And in this picture we can see the system development life cycle with project initializing and planning method. And in this here the process of initializing and process and planning IaaS development project is continuous here. And firstly, project initializing focuses on activities designed to assist in organization a team to conduct project planning, and establishing the project initializing team, and establishing a relationship with the customer. And is here establishing the project initializing plan, and establishing management procedures, and establishing the management project management and environment and project workbook. The last one is developing the project charter. And what is the key activity of project initializing is the development of the project charter, and a short document that is prepared for both internal and external stakeholders, and provides a high-level overview of the project. Useful communication tool that helps to assure that the organization and other stakeholders understand the initializing of a project. And a project charter typically contains, and what's the project title, project title and date of authorizing, and project manager name and contact information, and customer name and contact information, project start and completion dates, stakeholders, key stakeholders, project role and responsibilities, project objectives and description, key assumptions and approach, and the last signatures section for key stakeholders. And it's here the key activity of project planning is the process of defining clear, discrete activities and the work needed to complete each activity within a single project. The objective of the project planning process in the development of a baseline project plan and project scope statements. and describe project scope, alternative possibility. This divide project into tasks, estimate resource requirements and create resource plan, develop prime preliminary schedule, and develop communication plan. This here determine standards and procedures, identify and assesses risk, create preliminary budget, develop a statement of work, set baseline project plan. And in this here deliverables and outcomes, business case is justification and justification for an information system presented in terms of the tangible and intangible economic benefits and costs, the technical and organization feasibility of the proposed system, and baseline project plan is a major outcome and deliverable from the PIP piece, and contains the best estimate of a project scope, benefits, costs, risks, and resource requirements. And project scope statement is a document prepared for the customers, describes what the project will deliver, and outlines and at a high level all work requirements to complete the project. And assessing project facility, economic, technical, operational, scheduling, legal and contractual and political. In this picture we can see the assessing project facilities about customer track system from the Pine Value Furniture. And in this part we can see the economic